Hello again. This week we're going to see how the students made out making that brake line for the truck. We've got a lot of Jeep footage to share with you this week. Our banquet is 2 weeks from today, May 23rd, and that's when we plan to unveil the Jeep to the public for the first time. Hopefully you can make it out. We have a fundraising dinner that starts at 6:30 and the banquet begins at 7. You're not going to want to miss it. It's a great celebration of all the hard work that the students have been doing this year, along with thank yous to all of the sponsors and people that help us do what we do. Hope to see you there. Both ends good start. Amazing. Here we are about to put a little bit of color on our Jeep tub, but we're not going to let you watch that portion.
We'd like to again thank Advanced Auto and CarQuest for supplying parts for our build. Most recently, brake rotors, calipers, and pads, as well as the rear hose and a new battery.
We're setting the sway bar length to 10 degrees.
You're just cutting the molding off. See if it wants to pull out, which it doesn't. Why would it, huh? But this is just the molding that covers between the glass and the body. You just want to cut it off real nice. Try not to scratch, but you're going to paint everything.
Yes.
But we never want to scratch. We try not to scratch things because, as you know, if it's not professionally done, scratches will cause rust. You always want to keep your body away from the blade because I've seen guys really do some damage to themselves, so you just stay away from it. You can pull it towards you as long as you're a good ways away from it. A lot of people want you to do it this way because if you slip, you're not going to do any damage to yourself. But if you believe it or not, you have more control doing it this way. But you know, it's better if you push it like this. Okay, that way if you slip, you just screw something else up instead of yourself. All right, now we have the bottom. That molding wraps around the glass, okay? So you want to you want to cut that free from the glass, okay? Try to keep it from moving. Let me get over here. Hold this area here because I'll put my leg against this. Okay, hold on. Just push right here. There we go. Okay. That's fine. We want to take it, whenever you get to the edge where you started, you always want to go nice and slow because when it's done and you're coming out. Now that should be out. There you go.
There it is.
We'd like to thank Covercraft for donating our seat covers,
which were easy to install,
and they're comfortable too.
Next time on Bulldog Builds, the students will start putting the sound barrier in our Jeep tub. Then we'll start putting all of the interior back in. And we'll see what other things the students are working on around the shop. See you next week.